What is going on YouTube? AVI back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be super cleaning our windshield, and we're actually going to be cleaning it with Shine Armor's Crisp Plus ceramic glass cleaner, and they're actually sponsoring today's video. So Shine Armor is the world's leading auto detailing company. They reached out to us and they wanted us to review one of their products. Here we have Shine Armor's Crisp Plus ceramic glass cleaner. And this is something actually I bought because I was interested in doing this video. So we're going to be putting this to the test and we're going to give an unbiased review. And if you guys are interested in Shine Armor at all, use our link down in the description and you'll also get 20% off any purchase you make using our code AIV20, not AVI20, but AIV20. 20% off. And you got nothing to lose really, because they have 20 plus years of experience. They're made in America, and also there's a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like this product, you can always get your money back, but I'm sure you'll like it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. This glass cleaner contains a silane sealant, and I guess it's supposed to give like this hydrophobic shine to it. And it's ammonia free, so it's good for tints if you have them and things like that. But yeah, we're gonna go put this to the test. And conveniently, next day it's actually raining and you can actually see the water drops forming. A little more on that side. And sorry I don't have the before to compare, but I got something else. Here's the window, the driver's side window. No droplets here. And here's another car that has not been treated with the Crisp Plus glass cleaner. No droplets at all. All right guys, it's the last day here, and overall just wanted to give my final thoughts. The Crisp Plus ceramic glass cleaner from Shine Armor did really well. As you can see from the thumbnail, it grabbed a lot of dirt from this windshield inside and out. So definitely highly recommend. Make sure to use AIV20 for 20% off, link in the description. Just make sure to check out more vids for more mods, and just like that, AVI out.